is up, my dudes? It's your boy Rainbow Benny, and I am back with a brand new video. And today, my dudes, we are doing something interesting. I am going to be making a miniature airplane that will fly really fast, almost like a bullet. This is a very easy thing to do, and I hope you guys like it. Let's get into this video. Alright, my dudes, so the way we're gonna do this is you just line up the two papers. I'm using index cards, so you just line up the edges, that's all you do, and then just fold it like you would a normal airplane. And there you have it, my dudes. You got a little paper airplane. Let's go test this bad boy out. Alright, my dudes, we got the plane. Let's just do it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I don't think it worked.